First of all, nagulat ako na meron palang ganun, no? I
Yeah.
mean, siguro lahat naman tayo nagulat.
Have you
kahit
seen this report, the ICI? For context for our viewers, we're talking about the
wala.
ICI
Ngayon
report.
ko lang yan nakita nung linabas ni Congressman Asidre, no? I think even media, walang kopya niyan
Right.
So, nagulat talaga ako. Nagulat tayong lahat, no?
Do you
At,
believe that
more-
finding?
More than that, yung findings na walang liability. I mean, alam na ng lahat na si Saldico ay gumawa ng insertions, nagkapera siya doon. So magagawa ba yun ni Saldico na chairman ng Committee on Appropriations without the knowledge or approval of Congressman Martin Romualdez? And number three, di ba even yung DPWH recommended to the ICI filing of plunder eh? So, walang pa paanong nangyari.